waiting for the retracement back to structure at 61% level. This is the area I'm interested in going long again. If I look at the dollar, all the sparkle, yen bottom of the pile, so this is definitely something I want to be long. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Monday, 7 October 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the dollar, the Aussie and the CAD, and short on the yen, the New Zealand and the euro. Looking at the dollar index flying through that level I was looking at on Friday, saying that this was the minimum target objective. That's why we call it the minimum target objective. It doesn't mean it's going to reverse there. Only means that that's a good place of lightening up on a wedge pattern, for argument's sake. Not that I was on a long year on the dollar index. All I'm saying is it doesn't mean that we'll stop there. But on the other hand, it just cut through, and the next stop, the two moving averages and that lateral support resistance level. So I think there's a lot of bullishness still coming in. However, we could see a little bit of a retest to come and test this area. It was support and then resistance, so it could retrace a little bit in the retest. If it goes below that, then we can see a retest of the pattern again. But as long as it stays above that level I've marked there, I think it should bounce and then hit that level up there. Then it should become a little bit more sideways. That could happen before the US elections, where things are getting a little bit unsure, people waiting for direction. A few things that can happen. Fail, come back down here, find support, bounce up there, and then stay sideways. That's the two different options that I'm looking at this stage. But then look at gold. Gold, I will not do anything. I've got a strong dollar, which is gold bearish, and the trend on gold looks pretty strong there. If I look at the blue line there, although the price action is very sideways, it shows a big consolidation period here, for argument's sake. It doesn't really matter the pattern. I just want to point out the consolidation of things. So this could be a consolidation before a breakout, but for that I would need a weaker dollar. So at this stage I'm stepping aside on gold. Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrencies caught a bit this weekend. Quite nice bounce off this 61% level on Fibonacci. You can see the structure I showed you there. I said it was a smallish level coming in there. However, it was confirmed by the 61% Fib level and proven to be a strong level after all. I didn't have that much hope for the level because it was a very small level. It actually went slightly beyond the 61%, so I wasn't that keen on it. However, market find it as support, bouncing up nicely, and so is the rest of the crypto markets. So let's hope that this could be the bounce for the breakout of that pattern and of the all-time highs up there. This could still take us the shoulder there, the shoulder, the break, almost a retest. Haven't got the retest yet, but that doesn't negate the head and shoulders. The target of this head and shoulders I showed you 2 weeks ago, that it is $80,000, and that's the level I'm after on a very short-term level. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. And the US yen looking very strong here, waiting for the retracement back to structure at 61% level. This is the area I'm interested in going long again. If I look at the dollar, all the sparkle, yen bottom of the pile, so this is definitely something I want to be long in, and I would like to see a retracement before I enter. I'm not going to chase it up there. It's Monday morning. We could expect a little bit of a sell-off. Hopefully far enough that we can get into a trade here. But for now, this is the area I'm looking for some long setups. Then the Swiss yen, we can see the Swiss I'm not after, but the yen short I definitely want. And by going long here, that'll give me a short on the yen. But I'm not going to do it up there. It looks like a little bit of a sideways range coming in there. I would like to see a nice retracement later this week, bounce off this level, which is the structure there, nice candle reversal, then I will consider some long positions. The US Swiss, you can see dollar up there, all the sparkle. Swiss, not after that, but after the dollar long, and going long here, that will give me the dollar long. I'm not after the Swiss. I will get the Swiss short, but I'm not after that. I'm looking for places to find dollar longs. Last directional swing, retracement back to 61% level, right at structure. That's the level I'm going to watch for today. Euro CAD, big swing down the page. Euro red zone, CAD green zone. I want to be short here, but not from the support levels. I would like to see a retest up there, and once it tests the 61% level and I see a good strong candle reversal, I'll then consider some shorts. Then the Euro US. Euro US, nice strong move after Friday's news on the strong dollar. Euro red zone, dollar green zone, so I want to be short here, but I need a retracement. So most likely it will retrace into the afternoon, hopefully. I'm not saying it will retrace, I'm saying if it retrace, I'll then look for shorts. You can see the structure coming in there, also a very nice historical level at the 61% level. Once it hits that level, I'll see how the market responds, and if the bears coming into play and they reverse it on a strong counter reversal, then I'll consider some shorts. And the New Zealand CAT, New Zealand red zone, CAT green zone, want to be short here. Very basic, straight swing down the page, retracement back to a very strong level. Look at that resistance, support, coming in there, yet again finding resistance there. So I guess when the market gets back up there between the 50 and 61% level, right at the structure here, if the bears can come in and sell it off and give me a nice bearish candle reversal, I'll then look for some shorts. Then the Aussie US, Aussie green zone, dollar green zone. So seems like I want to be long on both, but it's a brand new trend. So I would like to see a retracement. The Aussie is the only place I can be short in against the dollar, because otherwise the Aussie is stronger than everything else. But it's definitely relative to the dollar underperforming. So if it gets back up there, I'll see how it responds there. If that changes, I will step away. But if that stays in the similar scenario, we could even see a Aussie drop there as it gets back up there. Structure coming in there, 61% level, counter reversal there, that'll get me to go short. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.